So, ladies and gentlemen, good morning everyone. I am Rikesh Shah from Mankind Pharma, where the real hero who is gracious enough to allow us so that he meets the real for the first time.
With the help of this film, we have tried to create some kind of a memory in which we could really showcase you as a hero which you actually are.
His sister was married to my first cousin, and she had decided ages ago, it seems, that she's going to get me hooked onto him. So she manipulated a meeting.
He certainly had a lot of impact on me. Simple things such as humanity, responsibility, respect for humans, being grateful to others, just being a good human. I think he's taught me that.
No cheating with your own self, because you only know you're cheating. If you don't cheat and you do your jobs, somehow the reward comes.
Friend, of course, from almost 6 decades, more than 6 decades.
Like they say, Kramer is complete man. He is a brother, he is a friend, he is a mentor.
I'd like to thank you, I'd like to thank Mankind and the filming team who was so professional to bring this out.